Okay, so this is where Chandel used to work. When I first found Chandel, he was rooting around in the trash to find pieces, and I recognized his genius right away because it's my talent. My genius is to see genius in others, and I immediately saw in Chandel Butterbury. He bring me here. I thought it was crack house.
No, you tell wrong. You tell the story wrong.
I not tell it wrong.
No,
Chandel.
this is not. Life is so boring. I want to suicide.
It's not even 3 o'clock yet.
Yes, but when it's 3 o'clock, I kill myself on train today.
Okay.
I do not have clock on wrist because I don't want time control my life. You finish?
Alexey and Chandel have an odd relationship. It's almost like a relationship between a spoiled child and his mother. The whole thing is just a vying for power, and more often than not, the kid wins.
I want ice cream.
Okay, well, I promise I'll get you some ice cream if you make something that I can sell.
Here, this is art. You sell this. There, here. Now it's Chandel art.
Oh, Chandel, I cannot sell stick with spit on it.
But it could be art if you want.
Sign it at least.
I signed it with my salive. T'es con ou quoi? This is art. Put in bag.
Okay, here we go.
Bon. Allons-y. Let's go.
$1 million right there.
Alexey is pretty desperate for money at this point, and since Chandel isn't making any physical art, he's been trying to come up with a way to cash in on Chandel's previous fame.
Chandel, hey, talk to a creditor. They say possibly we buy this building
Yes.
and we make Chandel Butterbury Museum. People come here, they see our genius everywhere.
No, but this is
Like
this is private.
part of your
no.
history.
No, I don't like this house.
Don't destroy my museum.
It's not your museum.
Yeah,
It's my art. It's my house. I burned it down myself.
Do we have a plaque right here, maybe?
What would the plaque say?
Chandel, master of destructivism.
No, I don't like it.
I just made it up.
No, I don't like it. I don't want
work
museum.
on
No,
it,
no,
Chandel.
no, 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 no.
Chandel,
No.
just needs an editor.
Aye!
I'm sure if Chandel were a conscious human being, he'd be grateful to his agent, but as is.
It's your turn to take
You
beating.
put that down.
No, you.
Put that down.
No. Come here.
I need a bigger stick.
Ah!
Okay, calm down.
You want? Oh! Oh! Come on, time for ice cream.
You know, Chandel, I had a wonderful dream
Oh yes?
where you did not hurt me all the time.
That was not real.
Sometimes Chandel is a difficult person to deal with, but I am a very patient person. And,
What you want? What? Oh, you're passing out so much blood loss. What?
no.
What? Aye!
Let's go revenge.
No, that is mad.
Revenge.
No, it's not nice. Why you do this? Ah!
Now who's losing blood?
Who put hole here?
You did.
No! Oh yes, I did.
You called it passage to another place.
Oh
But
yes.
Then you got tired and stopped digging.
You out.
It does make me upset though, because Chandel does not think of others. For instance, today is my birthday, and I told him, but he will not remember. Now, this does not seem like a place where we have cocktails and escorts.
Oh, but you don't know, huh? You don't know this place.
It seems like a place maybe there'll be squirrels.
Maybe it's possible.
Don't like them
Okay,
little rats.
okay. There we go.
Here, like here.
Ici, yeah. There we go. Take off your mask. Et voilà! Here we are.
Oh, great. The woods.
Yes. Look. What is this?
No, Chandel.
Oh,
Do you remember my birthday?
of course.
What do you mean, of course? You never remember my birthday before.
Oh no, it's not true.
Oh my god,
You
look
sit,
at this.
You sit.
Right there
Yeah,
on the
yes,
log.
you sit.
Okay. Oh my god, look at this. Happy womb escaped the Alexey.
Yes, it's the day you escaped from your mother's
Ah,
womb.
It's nice. You know, look at little yellow flowers and candles. It's so beautiful.
Sure, it's for you.
Oh,
I hope you
Chandel,
like.
this might be my happiest birthday.
Oh, very good.
You know,
that
to
me
make it
happy.
just a little more happy,
What?
could you sing that song I like?
The song?
You know the song I like?
Okay.
You know.
Who let the dogs out? Wah.
Wow, that's my favorite part.
Bon, good. Okay, I will light the candles
Oh, very
for
nice.
you.
You are so sweet today, Chandel.
Uh,
Wow.
Voila. Oh,
Wow.
I forgot.
Wow.
I
Wow.
forgot
Wow.
some of this over here, so I will light.
What do you mean?
I forgot these candles here.
What kind of sparkle the candles? Why do you run away? What the?
Oh! It's out! Happy birthday!
No cocaine for you, Chandel.
All art is decomposed, so this as well it is decomposed, so it's okay.
I don't know what you mean.
Yes, you do. You will someday when you decompose.
Ice cream?
Yes, please.